What's going on, everybody? Today we are going to check out a new RC car made by Ruko. This one looks like it's going to be a lot of fun to drive. It goes up to 40 kilometers an hour, which is pretty fast for a little RC car. This guy is currently on sale for $53 on Amazon after you clip a $40 off coupon. If you're interested after watching this, I'll throw the link down below. So the only RC cars I've ever used in my life are kind of the cheap ones you get from Walmart. They're slow, they don't turn good, they don't really have anything exciting going for them. So I really hope this one, for being about double the price of the ones at Walmart, is going to be a lot more fun and just a better overall experience for driving. So this does have all-wheel drive. It has 2 batteries included, which is great. Up to 20 minutes runtime on each battery. Has a high-speed motor, even has headlights, and you can change the headlights, which I'll show you in this video. It is gyro stabilized, and it's got a lithium-ion battery, which is a good one. There's another look for it on the rear. If I didn't mention it before, the model number is UD1601 Pro. Good looking car. And it comes with a nice remote as well, 2.4 gigahertz. I'm going to give you my honest review on this in the end. If I love it, I'm going to tell you I love it. I'll tell you what I hate about it, and we'll go from there. Let's see exactly what you get for your money. Here is the car itself. Good looking car. Rubber tires, of course, which is nice. Going to give it a nice quick grip to make it go that 40 kilometers an hour, which is about, I believe, 20 miles per hour, so 18 to 20. Alrighty, here's everything included. Once again, the remote. It's got some nice padding here for your fingers, make it a little bit more comfortable and grippy. There's the throttle, forward, backward. It looks like a pretty nice remote overall. Just takes 4 AA batteries. It comes with an extra set of wheels, which is for drifting. So instead of having the rubber, this is a hard plastic. So this will be kind of fun to drive around the streets and having it drift around the corners and stuff like that, which I'll show you that in this video as well. Here's all the tools you need to swap the wheels. Here is the extra battery. There is one already installed. Then you get 2 battery chargers, which is just USB powered. Very simple to use. Indicator of it charging, and then when it's done charging. It does have shocks built in. So to take off the shell here, there's 4 clips you just pull out. That's how you access the battery, of course. Very easy to pull out. Slides right off. Got a wire there for the headlights. There's the motor, and then the battery is also strapped down so it won't be rattling around inside. So to take out the battery, there's one more clip here. And I'm going to fully charge these before I do the test. Very easy to pull out. Very easy to put in, of course. And then you just want to connect all the connectors together, and then you should be good to go. All right, so that is everything in the box. I'm going to charge up these batteries, and then I will show you a demo of how well this guy works. And I'll give you my honest opinion if I think you should get one of these for yourself or your kids. And then I'll be comparing it to the cheap ones from Walmart, because the cheap ones from Walmart, let's be honest, they're junk. They're not fun to drive. They're slow. They don't last very long. And any one I've ever bought for my son, he uses for the first like 2 days, and then it just sits there. And I wind up selling it for like $1 or $2 at a garage sale. So those things have never been fun. I quit buying those for him years ago. This one should be a lot better. All right, I will be back when this is fully charged and ready to test out. If you're new to this channel, please do me a huge favor. Like and subscribe, it helps me out a lot. I have another RC car here from the same manufacturer I'm going to be showing you next. Much bigger one. This one's off-road. It's amphibious as well, so it works fine on water. This one's going to be a lot of fun to mess around with too. That will be in a separate video. Alright, we have the Ruko RC car outside. My son's going to drive it. This thing's pretty cool so far. It's pretty fast. The rubber tires have great traction. And in just a moment, we're going to switch over to the drift tires. And we'll show you how those look and how much fun that's going to be. So go ahead. still fast regardless. You can drift it and make cool turns. Got some headlights on it, tail lights. What do you think? You like it? Isn't this about 100 times better than the little ones you get at Walmart for $20? It's night and day difference, guys. This is something that's actually fun. Your kids will actually love driving it around. And yes, it's more expensive, but you really get a lot more fun out of it. Even comes with 2 batteries, so pretty awesome. Here, go that way, and then see if you can jump this little curb. Let me jump it into the grass here. Let's see if it does anything. Lower it. Woo! Crash. So pretty cool, guys. We're gonna switch over to the other wheels real quick, and I'll show you how those work. Hi guys, let me show you real quick how to swap out the wheels. It's super easy. Just comes with a little nut right here, and then this tool. You just line it up, unscrew it. Gotta hold the wheel. Unscrew it real quick. Okay. Make sure you don't lose the nut. Pops right off, and then you get these hard plastic wheels that's gonna allow it to drift. And then you drop it back in there, line it up, get the tool back, and then retighten it. So nice and easy. Just make sure it's tight like that, and repeat for the other 4. So let me get these all on, and then we'll show it drifting. All right, we got the drift wheels on. We haven't messed with this at all yet, so it should be pretty cool. Traction should be tough, but that's the whole point. This should just kind of drive kind of crazy. So, all right, go ahead. Ooh, that's fun. What's more fun, this or the wheels? That's rubber. Yeah, that's making it a little difficult, huh? Nice. Pretty cool. So that's just a quick demo of this RC car. I highly recommend it. If you plan on spending $20, $30, $40 for one at Walmart, don't. I bought those countless times for him when he was younger. He plays with them for like a day, and then they're just not good.
But this one you can get used to in it. It's actually like
this one you can even set up like little jumps and stunts with it, and yeah, it's really quite good. I'm very happy with it. He's definitely having fun with it. That drifting is cool. It's cooler than I thought. So I'll put a link down below straight to this if you're interested, and if you are, feel free to click it. I think it'd be a great birthday present, Christmas present, or just a present or toy for anybody. So definitely something we're going to keep, and he's really enjoying it. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, smash that like button for me. Let me know if there's anything you want to see on this. You can see it does scuff up the wheels, obviously, but they're going to last quite a while, and I'm sure replacements are quite cheap. So once again, I highly recommend, if your kid wants to get into RC cars, do not buy the ones from Walmart. They are junk. This is double to triple depending on if it's on sale, but it is well worth the extra money.
and all-wheel drive.
Yeah, and it's all-wheel drive. The ones at Walmart are definitely only going to be two-wheel drive. So once again, definitely recommend, and you all have a great day. See ya.